Are you back to learn the final verse of Ulupalakua? If so, stay tuned. Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with I Hula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In verse 3, we are going to repeat the same foot pattern as in verse 1. Let's take a look. After our vamp, we will have 3 sets of kaholo, right and left, a final kaholo to the right, and 2 umi to the left. Since we've danced this before, let's go ahead and do it in real time.
Haina mai kapuana a ulupalakua Hei niki niki ahi ahi Ka homea o paniolo Haina mai kapuana a ulupalakua Hei niki niki ahi ahi Ka homea o paniolo.
Let's add on the ending. Once you finish your 2 umi, we are going to do 2 sets of vamps, right and left, then a ka'o right and a ka'o left, closing your step and pointing your right foot for the end. Let's try it with the music.
Ka homea o paniolo, ka homea o paniolo.
Here is the English translation of verse 3. Haina. Tell of the refrain of Ulupalakua, the pangs of the cold evening air, the home of the cowboys. Let's try it with our hands. Start with your half vamp on the right, clap, half vamp on the left. Haina. Left hand on hip, right mouth, and out at a 45-degree on the right. Tell of the refrain. Left at mouth and out on the left. Of Ulupalakua, both forward, up to the right, both forward, and up to the left. Just like the first verse, the pangs of the cold evening air. Right out, left, tap up 3 times, and down. The home, touch self, triangle for home, of the cowboy left on hip, right lasso 2 times overhead. Don't forget that verbal yeehaw. Vamp on the right, clap, and vamp on the left. Repeat haina. Left on hip, right mouth out, and out to the right at 45. Hold there. Left mouth out at the left. Of Ulupalakua. Center forward and right. Center forward and left. The cold evening air, right out, left up arm 3 times, and down. The home of the cowboy, my home. Lasso overhead, and yeehaw. Vamp on the right, and clap. Vamp on the left. Repeat the vamp again. Vamp on the right, clap. Vamp on the left. Vamp motion right, vamp motion left. Both out to the sides, hula hand, and pull forward to hold for your end. Let's put the hands and feet together in slow motion without music. Starting on your right vamp, clap left. Haina, mouth, out right, mouth, out left. Ulupalakua, forward, up right, forward, up left. Cold evening air, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, self and home, lasso, 1, 2. Vamp on the right, clap, vamp on the left. Repeat, haina, right mouth and out, left mouth and out. Ulupalakua, forward, up right, forward, up left. Cold air, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, self and home, lasso, 1, 2. Ending vamp, clap, left. One more set, right vamp, clap, left. Now ka'o. Right, left, point right, hands out to sides, and pull forward as you finish. Now let's try it in real time with the music.
Haina mai kapuana a ulu palakua Hei niki niki ahi ahi Ka homea o paniolo Haina mai kapuana a ulu palakua Hei niki niki ahi ahi Ka homea o paniolo Ka homea o paniolo Ka homea o paniolo
Mahalo for tuning in today with me. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if you like. Share my video with others. And until we see each other again next week, ahui ho and aloha.
Ka homea o paniolo